Building a Second Brain is an innovative course designed to systematically save and remind us of the ideas and thoughts we have. This course trains you to expand your memory using advanced tools available to us thanks to technology. When I first read the title of the course, I was intrigued, so I thought I would take a deeper dive into what it actually means to build a second brain and what this course claims to offer. If you haven't subscribed to our new psychology-based YouTube channel, please consider doing so as we make new psychology videos weekly. This course curriculum includes 8 units that provide you with enough study material for building a second brain. The units covered in this course are Unit 1, which is just the introduction to the course. This unit will take you through the contents of the upcoming sections and overview in simple words. Unit 2, Organizing for Insight. Here you will learn how to use digital tools to organize the information you've captured. Unit 3, Digital Cognition. In this section, you'll learn different ways to manage information efficiently. It will also give you the 4 basic requirements of a good digital notes application. Unit 4, Progressive Summarization. Progressive summarization is a technique that lets you distill notes for easy retrieval. Unit 5, Maximizing Return on Attention. In this unit, you'll come across the concept of transient hypofrontality. You'll also learn how to utilize the notes you created to generate maximum value. Unit 6, Just-in-Time Productivity. Here, you'll learn a new, effective way of working that becomes possible once you have a second brain. Unit 7, Workflow Canvas. This section tells you how to create a step-by-step design of your second brain. Unit 8, The Big Picture. Here, you'll realize the potential of digital notes and the integration into your daily routine. Throughout this course, instead of talking about abstract concepts, you'll learn how to optimally use your knowledge. Building a second brain promises that you will learn how to capture, organize, and share your ideas and insights using digital notes with a systematic approach that you trust to support creative breakthroughs in your work. With the help of this course, you can create an amazing knowledge management system in just 35 days. It is designed to help everyone manage information efficiently. To do so, it uses a simple 4-step approach, the C.O.D.E system. What is the C.O.D.E system? The C.O.D.E system is a process that lets you turn information into creative output. That's the simplest way to put it. In detail, C.O.D.E is an abbreviation where C stands for capture, O stands for organize, D stands for distill, E stands for express. The world keeps evolving, however, the creative process is unyielding. Even with the introduction of technology in every field, the heart of the creative process remains the same. This is where the C.O.D.E system comes in. You capture information from the world, organize it, distill it to remember the best parts, and finally express it in your views. This theory of the C.O.D.E system remains constant throughout the years and will always continue to be true. Now, collecting information is easy, but organizing them into a structure isn't. For this, Tiago Forte uses a system called PARA. The P is for projects. These are nothing but a series of tasks linked to a single goal, generally on a deadline. Then areas, the sphere of activity that needs to be maintained with time. Then resources, these are nothing but the topics or the themes of projects. Finally, archives, items not included in the first 3 categories. Simply put, PARA is a method that will let you organize your work digitally. So in short, building a second brain, the course, is a 3-part process. Step 1 is to remember, Step 2 is to connect, and step 3 is to create. Here's the general idea behind building a second brain. It is nothing but jotting down details of things that you find important right away. To do so, you can use digitally note-taking applications like Evernote, Microsoft OneNote, and so on. Each note in your second brain, or the app, should be something you've experienced. It could be from a book you read, a conversation you had, or something you saw. The notion behind this is to avoid haphazardly noting down information in different places. Instead, you can create a centralized system with all your information at your fingertips. This way, you get to link two pieces of information together too. After a few weeks or months, you'll start to think about things rather than focusing on a single thought you had. This creates a network of ideas where everything affects everything else. For instance, something your boss told you at work also implies a situation you're having at home. Or a random fact you read somewhere will end up in your next blog post, and so on. So what are the advantages of building a second brain? Once you're used to the second brain, your mind will start working differently. It will start relying on the facts and resources you've entered in the notes you've taken. Most second brainers are at peace, since they know that if one idea doesn't work out, they have a plethora of others to work on. With time, you'll realize everything makes perfect sense. You can see through your notes the philosophy of life. What you do, why you do it, what you want, and what matters are all mapped out in the notes you're cultivating. Since you know how to capture and organize, you use every opportunity to learn and grow. You'll start putting together ideas, theories, and forming new strategies about everything from society to technology. You'll combine ideas that you never thought of simultaneously. The power of the second brain will truly amaze not just you, but the people around you. They'll notice your ability to summon an unusual piece of information instantaneously. You'll become known for your amazing memory, but surprisingly, you won't have to strain your brain to access the abundance of information available at your fingertips. Building a second brain turns incoming information into full-scale creative projects. Instead of optimizing your mind to remember everything, it helps you create an external system that is more reliable than the human mind. Having a second brain will give you the freedom to drive yourself towards your goal at a pace that is faster than ever. Although I haven't taken this course for myself, it's definitely a very interesting topic, and I'd love to hear from those of you who did down in the comments. Thanks for watching our video. Please give it a huge like, and don't forget to subscribe.